the members of IPS. This is me, Manasvi, and today I am here to discuss something on food. Before starting, tell me to which we call food. In simple language, if I say food is something that gives us energy so that we can perform various types of functions. And which type of food will you take? And how would you classify or how would you differentiate between a real food and a fake food? I'm gonna tell you 3 rules so that you can classify or you can differentiate between a real food and a fake food. Rule number first is eat food which rots eventually, means which decays in couple of time, like fruits and veggies we can have. Because only a real food attracts microorganisms and only a real food decays because it has its life. Rule number second is have food which comes from farms. Because when it goes to factories for processing, it gets heavily processed there, and when we consume it from the market, it's no more a food, it's a product we are consuming. Because there are a lot of preservatives and spices are adding on that. Stop consuming heavily packed food and processed food which is destroying your health bit by bit. Rule number third is, have you ever seen an advertisement for a papaya or for a banana? Perhaps no. Because industry will never feed you the real food. And if industry will feed you the real food, then they will not be able to make profit. They are making profit by feeding you the fake food and health day by day. Yes, our tongue is like we have to eat this and we have to eat that, but it's consuming a lot of preservatives and spices which is ruining our health day by day. You have heard many times that children of 8 or 10 years are having heart attacks. This is only because they are having unhygienic food every day. Stop consuming these types of foods and improve your health by having good quality foods. Like you can have fruits and you can have vegetables. They are much better than the packed foods. Improve your health. Only you are able to improve your health and you can keep yourself safe from these types of diseases which are just spreading in our environment nowadays. Keep yourself healthy and safe. Thank you and have a great day.